Okay, this is a favorite feature of mine on the new 450 backhoe. It's got a quick coupler attachment on it. You don't have to get out of the seat and knock the pins out and then line the pinholes back up and knock the pins back in. You can stay in the cab and release both pins while staying inside the cab. The back pin, you see a red wedge. And when Tony presses a black button with a red knob on it, this will recess. Go ahead and press the red button. Oh, Tony, I guess you have to curl the bucket up in the air. There we go. See, it just released the pin. Okay. Now, right here you have a red pin. There's a black button next to the red and black button that you have to push, and you hear a slow beeping right now. When you push the other button, you'll have a faster beep, and that means this wedge is going up inside here, and you're going to be able to release this pin and put on another attachment. I'll go up in the cab and point out what buttons he's pushing. Okay, he pressed the red button right there. Now he's going to press the button right next to it. That button. Okay. Now you hear a quicker button tone, and he's going to put it on the ground. And he's got a couple seconds. Is he able in time? Yes, he did. Okay, now I'm going to go back down to the ground, and you hear it went back to the slow beeping. That means that the back pin is not attached. Now this wedge is closed right now, but it's spring loaded. So all Tony has to do is move this right here, the quick coupler, and he can place it down on this pin, and this wedge will go in and lock in place. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, you heard the click. Now Tony's got to curl the bucket. Okay, push that black button. There we go. You see it going back into place. That means the pin is locked in place right now. Now, whenever you use a quick coupler, you want to extend the bucket and shake it a couple times to make sure that it is locked in place. Like that. And so now we know we have a good, tight connection.